Hi everyone, my name is Mike Mello. I'm a broker associate and co-owner at Preferred Real Estate Brokers. And today we're at the Palms at Serenoa, and we're going to show you this active adult community, which is a 55 and up community here. Great little place to come and retire here in beautiful sunny Florida. We're going to show you this model behind us. This is the Delray. It's 2,034 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. It also has a little extra like office space that possibly could be used as another bedroom, but you probably wouldn't need it anyway. And we're going to take a walk through in this house and tell you a little bit about it. Now, this house here, they don't have the exact pricing on it, but what we're looking at is the very high 300s, maybe even the low 400s for a house like this. And this is the model home. It will have a lot more upgrades and accent walls and things like that you would have to do after the fact. It also has a pool, which wouldn't be included in that price. So what we're going to do is go ahead and go inside, and I'll see you in there and take you on the tour. So let's go ahead and go through the entrances. This is really cool. They have the really nice shutters, nice little elevation to the home, and of course we have this glass door in front of me, and also they have a Ring doorbell. So I will see you in there. All right, welcome into this home. So as we close this door behind me, of course, you probably want a solid door if you got a door instead of this glass one, but for the model home, they have that. And as we walk in, the first thing we have is this really nice ceramic tile floor, something that I probably recommend. A lot of this would actually be carpeted with just the tile in the wet area. The entry would also have tile as well, but it'd be a little bit more basic tile than this specific design. Above me is a nice little light for the entryway. And then of course we have this accent wall. This is something you can do after the fact with a little bit of woodworking and a little bit of paint and with a little nice picture in the middle. So we're gonna go ahead and go left and show you the spare bedrooms first. So the first one here being the front of the house, and this will get you a good idea of the carpet. So this will be the carpet that would come with most of these houses. They just a nice painting over there for the accent wall, some great ideas for your house. And of course we have the bed here. The closet is on the other side. It opens up. Let me go ahead and show you that. As we open that up, it's just a regular size closet, but with these really nice doors, the ball bearings on the top. So nice little room. So come on and let's go ahead and follow me this direction. Go left. This is the full bathroom. They have a tub, and then of course they have the white tile going up, basic shower head, and then we have our toilet, and of course the sink, a little nice cabinet woodworking, really beautiful looking countertop, and of course the mirror and the lights. So next stop would be bedroom number 2, which is right here. Check this out. It's got a lamb picture and a little bunny rabbit. That's really cool. So, and they have a bunny rabbit and a lamb stuffed animal. Look at that. So little rabbit, and then the actual rabbit behind us, the painting. So they have a couple twin beds here. Nice little space, a window looking out on the side yard, and of course we have that same sort of closet that we saw on the other one. They have a panda storage units in the closet. Look at that. So anyway, family where life begins and love never ends. Oh, cool. All right, so let's go ahead and follow me this direction. We've seen all this. What was here is probably like a linen closet. They even have some towels staged in there for you too, so they get an idea. They should probably have, I guess maybe they could put a vacuum down there. Maybe that's why there's no shelves that way. So anyway, follow me over here. We come through the entryway. This will be all the way in. They have these really cool designs. This matches that front door with the mirror. This is like, probably like a $150 mirror, maybe $50 in woodworking and $20 in paint, and you get this really cool design instead of just having a plain wall here. So even at your house, if you're not looking to buy a house, watching these videos and looking at these models' homes will probably give you some really good ideas for your house. And saying that, please like the video and subscribe if you can. We really appreciate it. So coming this direction, let's see, we got a couple doors here. I haven't opened these before, so let's see what we got. That's the garage, 2-car garage. A lot of people want to see the garage, so there's the 2-car garage. And then this is probably, it sounds like the air handler. Let's see. Yep, that's where the air handler is. And then we go here left. This will be the washer and dryer room hookup. It doesn't come with a washer and dryer. But of course, those are, you probably get those off of Craigslist pretty cheaply too, or go pick your own at Best Buy. So here we are. This is like an office. This could possibly be used as a 4th bedroom, but you may not need a 4th bedroom, especially if you're an active adult. But if someone was coming, you can set it up as an office, a playroom for the kids, have a couple shelves. They have that same sort of woodworking with a lady in an umbrella holding her child's hand. We do have the closet, so like I said, you could use it. As a bedroom if you wanted to. But yeah, it's like, or you can use it as a little art room or craft room. I think that'd be pretty neat. So let's go ahead and follow me. We're gonna go ahead and show you the rest of the house as we come through. I mean, this does make such a big difference to a house. And here we are. Here's the main living area. So we have our family room. So the family rooms over here, they've done the same thing. Nice mirror in the middle, woodworking, some pretty cool little, it's like three-dimensional wallpaper. You can actually feel the texture on it when you touch it. And then of course we have our TV here, sitting here. And then we have our dining room in the back. But let's go ahead and talk about the kitchen first. So here's the kitchen. We got these beautiful countertops. And then of course, Whirlpool refrigerator. Nice backsplash. It's got a really cool color to it. Sort of matches everything really good and matches this one's actually got the soft close, so that would be an upgrade, the soft close. Our pantry is right here, so open. That's actually pretty spacious. Never know what you get behind those doors until you open it, but this one's actually a pretty good sized pantry. We come over this direction, more counter space, backsplash. We have our GE or Whirlpool range and Whirlpool microwave. And of course, plenty of cabinet spaces throughout. This one isn't actually vented out, so if you want to vent it out, you would have to do that after the fact. And then on this side, we do have dishwasher, sink, and then we do have a couple lights here. I like the pendant lights. If I could change that to pendant lights, I'd probably do that. I think the pendant lights really make a good room, but it does open up the space without them here. So here is the dining room. Really cool. If Sandy can look over to the left, we have these little 3 windows. So it brings in some natural light, but you still get privacy unless you have Shaquille O'Neal living next door. You're not gonna have to worry about anyone actually peeking in when you're having dinner. A little chandelier, basic chandelier over the dining room. And windows looking out, and then we have a sliding glass door. This is the patio area. They did put in an outdoor kitchen. Outdoor kitchens can get really expensive. You're looking at probably $15,000 to $20,000 if you want the outdoor kitchen. And of course, a pool, and pools are $40,000 and up. Especially with the pavers and stuff like that, you're probably looking at maybe like $60,000. I'm not a pool expert, so don't quote me on that, but the one I put in was about $80,000, and I'm expecting that to probably be about 50,000 or so, 50, 60,000. So, all right, come ahead and follow me this direction. Here is the primary bedroom suite. We go back into carpet here. We have a nice view of the outside area. So if you just like landscaping, or if you bought a lot on a conservation lot or water lot, you have a nice view from this bedroom. Of course, very, very spacious, king size bed, plenty of space on either side. And then as we go through, let's see what we got over here. We have 2 doors. So let me see if it's we have one closet here. That one's probably going to be the smaller closet. And so whoever has the least clothes in the family will probably get that one. This one's got a little bit more. It's even got a little shoe rack over there, it looks like. So a little bit more space for the person in the family that has more clothing. So anyway, we come back this direction, we go through the door, and then we come into the primary bathroom suite. We do have the dual sinks, nice countertops like we saw in the other bedroom. And I do like, this is definitely an upgraded cabinet because of the amount of details that you see in the actual cabinet here. Mirror, basic lights above us, and then of course we have the shower. This one does have that chrome frame around it, a little sitting area, and then the tile with a little window up there for privacy. So anyway, that is this home. Again, it's 2,034 square feet. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's going to be in the high 300s, like in the 390 to maybe the low 400s, depending on what options you get, what lot you have. And that, of course, is today. We're in October of 2021. So in November or December of 2021, it might be a different price. So if you are interested in finding out what that goes for now, or get more information on this, make sure you give us a call. Our number is below, 407-487-3030, or you can email us. We'll have all the information as well in the comments or in the description, and also on the screen. So thank you all for watching, and talk to you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.